it is me, the Invertabarian, and yes, I look like an utter pile of because I've just finished a 12-hour shift. Now you may have a total sense of deja vu from the opening piece there. No, this is not the last video re-shown, this is a new video. The link will make sense as soon as we get into this box. It is from the Spider Shop. Let's get into it. Okay, so as mentioned, this is from the Spider Shop. So, I think I need a new blade in my knife. Oops, these. Roasty toasty heat pack. Nuts. So as you can clearly see, we have a pair of weta. These are Wellington tree wetas. Watch the last video. And we have a male and a female. So let's get a look at them. So if you recall, this here is the setup, and I was checking on my female the other day and I couldn't find her. Took the entire thing apart, couldn't find her. And then I spotted something. This piece of bark has these natural little boreholes in them, and I don't know if we can see, maybe if I put the light on, but she is hiding away down in there. Sneaky. There she is in our big old mansion. This was the one we got from So Many Legs. Let's introduce her to her female friend. Okay, so lady 1, meet lady 2. Oh, in you go. Go on, go and be friends. Super duper. That was a friendship well established. And now for the male. Now look at the difference in the mandibles on her compared to him. Look at them. If it would focus. So let's. Oh, hello. Oh, hello, he says. How you doing? What a rather beautiful fell. Look at the spikes on those legs for defending himself. He just seems quite contented right now sitting with her. Not sure if she's enjoying it quite so much. Now I noticed the Spider Shop seem to have sent them with what looks like bramble, so I nicked it to the garden and got them some fresh. Let's see what they make of this. Yes, there's the original one. We've got one hiding up on the back there, and the other one's, well, in here somewhere. Found that. I'm hiding. So 1, 2, and then number 3's there. Right. I think I could fit a few more in there. So that is them back on the shelf where they belong. 1, 2, 3. Some lettucey, cabbagey type stuff. Bit of peach I think that is, but this foliage hopefully they'll enjoy, and I shall try and find out what other feasts and foods they seem to enjoy. I will say, as well as the male's head being much larger and longer than that of the females, it would appear that the antennae on the male are much shorter than that of the female. But we'll let them settle in and we'll hopefully get some awesome footage of them as time goes on. Doggy cuddles. So I have to say a huge thank you to everybody at the spider shop. They are awesome. They're selling them in pairs. I don't know if there's any left, but if there is, go and get some. I will probably look for a few more females now. Andy, so many legs. But anyway, that is it for this little short video of adding to the Wellington Weta collection. Thank you ever so much for watching. Seriously, thank you ever so much to everybody that's subscribed to the channel and everybody that watches, and we will see you in the next one. See you next time. Bye bye. Hey Peter, you want some packet nuts?
No, Daddy.